Welcome to the channel. I'm Stacy, and my goal here is to help you to be front of house ready for your worship services. Now that covers parts, and it also covers tones, and today we'll be focusing on the tones for the song He Arose by Tommee Profitt and Phil Wickham. For the cover video on this one, I used my pedal board with the HX Stomp covering the amps. I've got a couple other things on there, but on the board I had my Boss CS3 compressor with just a light bit of compression. The way I had the amp set up, normally I run the sustain on this one at about 9 o'clock. This time it's dialed back a little bit, but I had the amps cranked a fair bit. They're matchstick channel 1s. They do drive a bit earlier than a Fender amp typically, but the way I had them set, they weren't super high, but they were hot enough that the compressor was compressing quite a bit more than normal. So I got that dialed back a little bit. I also had on the ODR-1. The tone, the spectrum looks like it to be about maybe 6, and then the level might be around 4, 3.5 or 4. I also had the carbon on, and for this one I've got the level at noon, the gain at about 11 o'clock, and then the tone is also at noon. It looks like the toggle is in the middle, and then the Euphoria is at the end of the chain, and that one's got the gain and the bass knob at 0. And then the volume is at unity, and the tone is matching the tonality of the amps. I also had the Jet Eternity Delay and Revelation Reverb in the loop, and they sounded awesome. They're so easy to dial in. If you haven't had a chance to check those out, I do highly recommend them if you're in the market. On the Stomp, I had the first block was a simple pitch, and I had that with an octave down, and that comes in on Snapshot 2. And then I had the effects loop with the Jet Eternity Delay and Revelation Reverb. After that, I've got that noise gate that kills the hiss that comes off of that loop, and then 2 matchstick channel 1s. One of them dialed in a little bit hotter and brighter than the other. The hot one's mic'd up with the Dynamic 57. The other one's a little bit darker and just not as gained. And it's just like a 1.0 difference between the two, but that's enough to get me a bit more spread, a little bit more dynamic in playing. And then I've got that one mic'd up with the Dynamic 7. And then the last block is the simple EQ, bumping the low gain at 1 decibel, the holy mid-range, which is 777 hertz at 1.5, and the high gain at 2.5 decibels. The signal chain for the HX Stomp is the Deluxe Comp into the simple pitch. And then we're going into a KWB drive, and I've got this one set up the best I could to match the dynamics I got from the stack drives on the pedal board, and it came out pretty good. Then we're going into the transistor tape delay, the dynamic hall reverb, and a single matchstick channel 1. Then we're going into a dual cab block. Both sides have the H30, one side mic'd up with the 7, one with the 57, and then the simple EQ at the end, bumping the same frequencies as the dual amp preset. The signal chain for the Helix is similar with the Deluxe Comp into the simple pitch into the KWB drive. Then we're going into the volume pedal. From there into the transistor tape delay, the dynamic hall reverb, and then we're going into 2 amps set up the same way as they are on the HX Stomp song preset. Identical settings. One side is mic'd up with the 7, one with the 57, and then the simple EQ at the end, bumping the same frequencies. The dual amp setup for the HX Stomp comes exactly how I used it for the preset. So you got the octave down, the effects loop, the noise gate, the 2 amps, each with their own cab, and the simple EQ. But for that one, you also get the song-specific preset, so you get both packs of goodies. And then the dual amp setup for the Helix, I was able to pack a bit more stuff in there and mimic a little bit more of what I had on the pedal board. So we have the Deluxe Comp going into the simple pitch, and then I have the prize drive, which is the ODR-1, and I have that always on. And then we're going into the Heir Apparent, which is similar to the Carbon, and I've got that one not needed for the song, but I've got it set up on a lead snapshot 4. Kicks that in for a nice crisp lead tone. And then we're going into the KWB drive, which mimics what I had with the Euphoria, which is kind of why I chose that one for the HX Stomp preset. From there, we're going into the volume pedal, and then I added a Trinity Chorus. I'm loving that. And then we have the transistor tape delay. From there into an optical trem. I think it's the optical trem. Either way, it's awesome. It's a stereo effect, so it's panning left and right. From there into the dynamic hall reverb. Then I have the 2 amps set up the way I use them on the cover video. And the hot one's mic'd up with the Dynamic 57 and the other one with the Dynamic 7. And then the simple EQ at the end, bumping those same frequencies. The snapshots are set up with Snapshot 3 covering the intro and the first majority of the song. It has the reverb at 100% wet mix, which gives it no attack coming in and going out. It's nice and easy in, easy out. It makes those melodies we're playing sound real cool. Snapshot 1 is the first picking palm muted part that we go into. I think we start that on the G string at the 9th fret. Kind of irrelevant if you're doing this in a different key, but this is in the key of E, and that's where we start that part. And then snapshot 2 kicks on that simple pitch, the octave drop, and that's for the last part of the song. I'll be running through the song-specific preset on the HX Stomp and the dual amp setup on the Helix. I'll be using the Telecaster Custom. I think that's what it is. Custom Telecaster. So this is a custom Telecaster. I'll be using the Gretsch and then the Les Paul Custom. All right, let's hear it. I hope you found this one helpful. If you did, subscribe and hit that like button for good measure. If you'd like the resources for this song, you'll find them at a link in the description box below. You'll also find the Sunday Starter Pack, which is a free download for HX Stomp and Helix. The HX Stomp Pack comes with 2 free presets along with the tabs reference chart and a MIDI controller guide in case you want to use a MIDI controller with your HX Stomp. And the Helix Pack comes with 2 free presets along with that tabs reference chart. All right, hope you have a great week, and I'll see you in the next one.